Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. It's a B day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's a couple things that are in the Family Weekly. Tomorrow is Veterans Day, so keep your eye out for a post of a tribute to our veterans on Facebook, on Dojo. You should be receiving it. Also, this Saturday, for those that are virtual that want to join us, you may come join us for a turkey trot. So look in the Family Weekly. It's at the school to see what time you'll need to be there. Last but not least, it's a great day to learn, so have a great day. Hoot, hoot!